Hello everyone, this question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of data handling. This is second question of its exercise 3.4. So the question says that there are 6 marbles in a box with numbers from 1 to 6 marked on each of them. So first, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? So probability of drawing a marble with number 2 is equal to favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. So favorable outcomes हमारे पास only number 2, so 1, and total outcomes हमारे पास 6 मार्क कर रहे हैं 1 to 6, तो so total हो जाएंगे 6, so probability हो जाएगी 1/6. And in second, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 5? Probability of drawing a marble with number 5 is equal to favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. Favorable outcomes is only 5, so 1, and total outcomes is 1 to 6 means 6, so probability जाएगी 1/6. Thank you.